Welcome back, everybody. My name is Dave Oliveira. We're taking a look at Heimdal still. In our last video, we showed how to install an agent and get people in our list here. I went ahead and installed it on two of them. Today, we're going to look at, the next thing you usually do is going to be setting the global policies or the policies, what modules you want to load in, all that kind of good stuff. So coming back on the portal here, you look at your policies via the endpoint settings up here. You notice you got three tabs for Mac, Linux, and Windows. Everyone always starts with a custom and a default. The default we can't change, but of course we can the custom, and you can clone and all that good stuff and copy. I just renamed the custom policy to DOs. That's my name, DOs custom policy. And we'll go ahead and click that in here. So cool. In here, you'll see the modules up at the top tabs here. These are where the modules are and they're loaded up here. So DNS security, patch and assets, endpoint detection, privileges, and app control and remote desktop. We're just going to look at the general one. And this is where you set things like how long does the policy check in every 15 minutes or so. I did want to enable BitLocker management so that way it grabs the BitLocker keys in case we ever need that, as a lot of computers come encrypted with BitLocker enabled already. Scripting is a kind of a cool one. You can go ahead and enable scripting. You can run PowerShell scripts. It's kind of cool that you could do that. USB management is if you wanted to block a certain vendor of USB or just see what USB items are being installed on the machines or not, or currently inserted, I guess. And then the device info notifications. These are the little pop-up notifications on what you want the program to alert you on. Windows updates required for the patch and assets module. Usually these are all defaults in here, but like if there's an issue with the antivirus, it'll pop up. And you could set some other things like CPU threshold, memory threshold, things like that. But you don't have to have them pop up for those ones if you don't want to. So very cool. The last one I like to use is the system restore management. This is going to go ahead and get you the system snapshots basically here in case you did need to restore. A lot of folks use other external backup programs as well, though. So, but yeah, on the next one, we're going to go over the just the kind of general guide of the platform here. Just take a look at these different tabs, kind of look at things and see general navigation tips and tools. I appreciate you guys being here. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.